Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican. We are here at a factory that has been lost many years ago, but guess what? We have found that factory, and now we're going to title the factory the Lost Factory because we are not sure of the location of where the factory is. However, we're near the community of Goshen in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. Guys, please remember to like, share, subscribe, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned.
Come and chat with Tania.
So guys, we're going to do a tour of this factory. We don't know what is on the inside. We don't know what the factory is about, and we don't know what awaits us there. But guys, I want you to come with me as I tour and go through this factory that we have found in the woods. So we're trying to create an entry to go on the inside. What we have seen so far, we have seen some old fridge, old printing documents, computing documents, old washing machine. So they had washing machine, printers, and microwave. So more than likely this could probably be a kitchen area where they used to store their things on the inside. So they have fan, guys, in this section has a lot of remotes. So you have remotes for air condition, remotes for the TV. They have a lot of remote, digital remote for their the machines as well, and the fridge. So guys, it's probably when they were leaving, they just packed everything in one area. I'm not sure, but this is a room to itself. We have an old suitcase. I wonder if I can look in it to see what's in it. Oh, nothing. So it is just an old suitcase with nothing in there. They had computers as well.
You can't take care of your tripod and the tripod outside.
Here, old computer. So it's a case where they used to do their things. They were technologically savvy. Oh, the same thing around here. In another room. Okay, so they have 2 additional rooms here beside this machine. Why they had so many machines though? They used to do a lot of washing.
As well as probably recycle the material from it.
Okay. So more fridge. I've seen about 4 fridge here.
Follow me.
I've seen some refrigerators. Lovely storage room. AC. So guys, as you can see, this is where they store. So they were using a lot of fridge, a lot of machines. But we're going to continue on the tour. Let's go to this next room that we have around here. Ooh. I wonder if I can chance it.
Beautiful.
Wow. So in this room, it has printing and computing documents, machines, right? So it's probably been a while. I'm gonna enter through this door since they have.
All right.
Oh. Why these spongy things don't dissolve? It lasts that long?
Styrofoam. That's why them stop making box.
Oh, because I thought them would be.
Not rot.
Oh, okay. So guys, styrofoam, long time.
When
Not
you come
rotting.
out, don't step hard. Just don't step with the all of your weight.
Alright, it's a little bit soft on the outside, so based on observation, we're now thinking that it is a recycling plant. So we have here, looks to me, when I walk, I am like woo! So I'm sinking a little bit. When I walk, so more than likely it's the tires, right? Yes. Grinded tires.
Burnt tires.
Or burnt tires. Woo!
Just walk so.
And then you can see the tires here. So on this side now we have
Plastic sheet.
plastic and
Plastic. What? It had. This had.
oh, that has.
Yeah. Plastic bottle.
Woo! We have plastic bottles and they're shredded. So they were more likely recycling or recreating or doing something like that to that effect in this factory. What is that sound?
Bird.
I am hearing a sound and I also have to be walking like a robot because the ground is a little bit sinking. When I walk, it sinks a little bit, right? So you can see the plastic. And then here, guys, we have a very interesting equipment, a factory equipment. I am not sure of the purpose. I am not sure what it is used for. However, these machines used to be active. Wow! Now I know what it is used for. It is used to grind the tires.
Burn, really
Or
burn.
burn the tires because look, the tires are on the inside.
Focus.
So more than likely,
But when it's not, I'm look over there. You know? So what when it's
maybe
not.
just tires in there.
Okay. Otherwise, some tires is something I can up there.
Tires, well, so these are the tire machines. These are the machines that they probably use to burn the tires, right? All right, guys, so we have another machine here. This machine is blown down. I can walk across here.
Nothing like say I know the place.
So this machine, it's blown down, but I'm seeing some plastic bags, bottles here. Well, these bottles are modern. The bottles are modern, boom, and so on. So that means that this factory was in effect for quite And recently, not recently, but it has been around. Because here we have a fresh bottle as well, and these juices are still on the market. However, the bottles are not really shaped like this now. Right? So let me take a look on this side. This is the back of this equipment. Let me read what is here. I was here and now I am gone. So I want to, well, I am not reading it clearly, but whoever was here stating that they were here and now that they're gone. I am not able to decode the rest of the words that are there. But this is very interesting, guys. This is very fascinating. Very fascinating. Alright, so let us continue the tour.
Oh, look at this machine right here. A machine there.
Wow, so look at this.
So probably this used to grind.
This looks like the grinder that was used to grind the plastic. Because look at the way how it is. You know, probably spin, burst up the plastic and all of that. So they had serious business going on here in Jamaica, in the woods, near Goshen. I'm not sure what this is up here. Not sure. But guys, let's look at this. This looks like a machine that probably was a gas to store the gas. Well, I really don't know, but it seems like a tank is on the top, and then these are connected. So I'm not really sure. Guys, do you know what this is? If you know what this is, remember to let me know. Leave the information in the comment section so that I can know what this machine really is. Right? Because I am not sure what it is used for and what it is. Ready? Now they had their electricity. This was where, you know, JPS connected their light. So they were in full operation and had their electricity here. So this is an incinerator. I am figuring that what they normally do is probably to store the items into this. I am not sure, but guys, you can help me out because I'm not sure what they used to do with that. Over here, they have a red. They have a red machine. This machine seems as if it's used to crush the plastic or used to do something to the plastic. But please decode for me, guys, because this is a very interesting machine. Very interesting machine. Guys, what happened? We just buck up on this building into the woods. We were going on another tour and we made a wrong turn, and this is where we end up. Right? So we are taking the opportunity to show you around. Here's another machine. Warning, no children must play on that. So they used to pull the things up on this. So it's a pulley. It seems as if it is a pulley. So whatever it is that they used to process here, whatever it is that used to be done here, that machine was very active in their role in this factory that they have, this factory space. And it is beautiful so far, you know, apart from the little sounds that I'm hearing. But don't watch the sounds, guys. Let us just continue to do the tour. We have 2 buildings here. 2 wall and what is this?
I have no clue.
Guys, look at this. Look at this right here. It looks like a little boat. Looks like something blew off the top and fell. However, it is unique in its own way and it is resting right here. But I'm telling you, man, this is in the woods. We're in the woods. A long drive to get here. We have another machine here. This is the forklift?
You see forklift there?
Yes. Oh!
You can go and build it.
Have a look at it. Guys, how can I miss this? How can I miss the forklift? I am wondering if probably there was a fire. You understand? Because the tires are burnt. Or you think they're rot?
Probably just the dust from the...
So, oh, and
burnt
they
tires.
deteriorate.
Yep.
But they had their forklift here. A very...
No, I tell you, mine was though. Mine was always upon this something.
So they had a forklift that they used to do to lift their operations. They have recent things in here now. Oh, are we a flight?
That's it. That's it. Oh, go on there.
Guys, these banana chips are recent, you know. So I'm wondering if there, you think there was a fire? I am not sure. I am not sure what took place, but these bags are chips that are on the market now.
Okay.
What?
Look at this.
A fire?
No, some things in the like... Behave yourself. Come back, yes.
So guys, there are more rooms. There are more rooms. And what we're going to do, we're going to go on the inside of these rooms to see what is there. So guys, please come with me.
What about what's in there?
Put them there. No man, we can't survive. Alright, so we have a wasp. There are wasps in here. These are what?
I'm not sure.
These are some materials. So probably they're materials that they used to use on their... It's a spongy thing, right?
Like some insulin or insulated stuff. Sure what.
What are these?
Look, there's probably was them near your hand.
No man. Oh, thanks.
You never see them?
Show them up.
Like, hold on. Wait. What are these?
So we have wasp in the room. Guys, look at these things on the ground. What do you think
Like
they
a
are?
bottle before them were what are they? This thing.
Bottle what?
There are bottles before they are blown out.
They look like syringe. So they were syringe. Probably they were doing some form of experiment.
No, these are bottles. This is the finished product. This is the beginning of the bottle.
Oh, so that's the beginning of the bottle.
Yes, and this is the finished product to get the bottle.
Oh, and that is a recent. Turn around, let me see that bottle.
This is the tropical blue.
Oh, the tropical blue.
Exactly.
Oh, so they made bottles in here then.
Exactly. And these are some syringe like stuff on every camera. No?
Or maybe I have to run a car over it or something.
Probably.
So the wasp.
You're taking any samples with you?
Yeah man, probably we can bring two.
Exactly.
Two other samples. What are these things that they have here?
Okay.
What are those? Some plastic thing. Oh.
Like they manufacture the blood testing, the blood tubes or whatever.
But no, it's just not blood they used to put in it, but they used to test to see, you know, like you use it for testing. So it probably is things that they used to use to test to see what they need to do to process whatever it is that they had.
So these are the reason why there's so much wasps in here.
It's a cotton tree.
No, these are bird nests.
Oh, they have bird nests in here.
Yeah, you see the bird nests now?
Mm-hmm.
They normally bring wasps to protect their nests.
Oh, let me see what else is in here. They have an old suitcase.
Oh, suitcase.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, my nose.
And, but guys, I'm letting you know though. You have the samples?
Yeah, I have the samples. What is this? I have no clue what is this.
What is that?
Some
Seems like
some-
it's a pipe.
Looks like a filter of some sort.
Mm-hmm. Some form of filter.
Yep.
Alright, so let me finish the tour. This is the tour for the rest of the room. Guys, we have quite a few family members, the lizards. They're crawling on the wall, and wasp. A lot of wasps. Wasp. A lot of wasp. A lot of wasp is in here. They have paint. Oh, you know what? Maybe the black thing blow all over the place, you know.
Yep.
So that is what caused the things to fade.
Yep.
But these were materials that they left behind. These were materials. Let me move on.
Yep. These are some materials for you.
So let us do few more rooms that they had here.
Oh, that was a fire. Look, a fire alarm right there.
Oh, they had a dust are blowing on my face. Guys, I'm trying to see if it works. It said push then pull. So it's not working. So they had a fire alarm. And you're testing it too?
No problem. This was up here. I have to push it. Pull down this.
And then pull.
Oh, you push this. No, you push this now, and then pull. So that's how it works.
I guess maybe push this up. I'm gonna leave it alone. Leave
Oh, well.
it.
That's
So they had their fire alarm. So let us go into this room. So that seems like a car seat where somebody used to sleep on. I'm not sure. It looks like a bit of seating. We have men boots. We have old boots. We have a golash.
I have a lunch bag.
Lunch bag. And we have an additional room around here where probably was a kitchen area because we're seeing the furniture settings, how it is set up, and probably they used to serve the lunches here. So they used to come and get their food on the inside. So this area could probably be the lunch area where the men were served. Going to a few more rooms. Now look behind you, something like that.
This is creepy.
It creepy?
You look creepy when it comes.
Guys, let us step into this building to see what they have on the inside. Woo! This is so scary because we don't know what is around here. So guys, it's an old bathroom. The toilet and the wash basin and so on has been removed. But we can see that this used to be their toilet, their bathroom facility area. maybe a washing machine was there. So the car to let out the water. That was so scary.
Fix back, yes. Come back. Yeah, perfect. It's like when I walk around the corner a while ago, I was like, wait, nope.
So they had their bulbs. You can see the bulbs here. Oh my God. So this probably was another bathroom changing area. Like a change, you know, it's a changing area. They had a machine there. They used to drink Magnum. They had socks, the suit for them to change into. Mask is on the ground as well. So it was more of a changing area because show the workmen clothes. You can see the workmen clothes are still there.
Just hope none of them in the building with us.
So this is very interesting. This is the back of the building, the back of the factory. Spacey. Guys, we have more machines on the outside. Look at these babies. These babies are beautiful.
Come here, Tania. You can see inside of here, so.
You see it in there?
So yeah, this is on the big plant. Going inside to let you see. Hope there's no wasp in here. Hold up, going up. Let's go to the next side. I'm coming.
So guys, look at these. Wonderful, huge, magnificent. This is a factory that we have found in the woods. We have stumbled upon this factory and it is a lost factory, and therefore, however, it's unique in its own feature. We have seen rooms, changing rooms, the amount of the types of equipment that they have. We have seen the
Yep.
Yes.
What up?
Come
Oh, this I have to capture the things when I bag them.
Oh.
So it was actually a cassava thing, cause like, yeah, it makes sense. Run here, so. I'll come there, okay?
Maybe it was a cassava factory, but however they transform it into
A recycle.
recycling factory. So let me say that. So guys, based on what we're seeing, we're wondering if this was a cassava factory based on the machines that we're seeing here, where it more looked like a flour factory. Well, however, it seems as if it was a cassava factory, and later on they have transformed. They have transformed it into a recycling factory. So very interesting and very inspiring.
Nope. Be sick. Orange tree this?
Where?
Right here, so.
Oranges on it?
Yeah.
I wonder if I can pick them.
Wonder if orange or it's orange.
A sour orange.
Oh, yeah, it's orange. Yeah, look.
For sure, guys, we have a sour orange tree. Sour orange.
It was.
This is the side entrance to the factory where they're driving the, what they look at something there?
Fuck.
The forklift.
Oh, and this is a cooling tank right here now.
Oh, they have a cooling tank.
Come look inside it.
I can't see now this here tank.
It's up on the block. This was a cooling tank.
Woo! You see the things I'm in there?
Yep.
Okay. So this was another tank then?
Hmm?
See another tank here on the ground?
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah. Probably whatever cool inside of that.
Yeah.
Probably evaporize and come in the tank here.
Go up. And then they have a huge tank around this side.
It's a trailer.
This metal.
Oh.
A huge tank. Transport. But guys, they have it's a trailer back.
Yep.
They have a
The trailer.
oh, they have a trailer, and it is still intact, looking wonderful. So you can take a look at it. Great trailer.
Looking wonderful-ish.
Wonderfulish.
It look creepy effort. But
Yeah, if you're creepy.
I am going to come back around here and create a movie.
And when me go in a room, I'm not frightened me. Are you?
Yeah.
Like seriously? So how them they look crystallized? What happened to these? How they look this crystallized?
These are filters, you know.
Oh.
Seems to be filtered. Let me see what. I mean, like, I compare it to
A gas pan, some gas pan one.
Yeah, so that's why
yeah, but don't be careful.
Mine
because-
blow.
Be careful because sometimes they leak and chemicals come from it.
Like a chlorine or whatever.
Guys, I do hope that you enjoy this video. The factory in the lost wood. We have no idea where we are, but I know that we're near a community. The community is called Goshen in St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. We're near that community. But this factory, it is off the road, straight into the woods. And we were on another mission when we encounter and pop up on this factory. Guys, remember to like, share, subscribe, and hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching Chat Jamaican. Little more. Bye. Thank you for having us. Bye.